Hello everyone, this is Mirna Masarra. In this presentation, I will introduce to you my demo unit for this course, EDUU 628. This is the outline of my demo. I'm sure that when I start working in its details, many changes will be done or many points will be developed. My demo unit will be content-based. The topic is environmental issues in the Levant countries, specifically fires in the mountain. Defense Language Institute students are the targeted learners. Skills that will be used in this demo are listening and reading comprehension, speaking, and writing. Because students are different in their learning tendencies, I will introduce the materials in different ways in order to customize teaching to accommodate all students' needs. Reading, listening passages, and video segments will be provided to accommodate visual auditory students, in addition to different activities and role plays to accommodate tactile and kinesthetic students. Different types of assessments will be used, such as formal and informal, peers reflection, and formative and summative assessments. The objectives of this demo: learners will be able to use their learning and understanding to talk about environmental issues in the Levant countries. Learners will be able to compare between regulations imposed in the US versus lack of such regulations in Levant. Learners will be able to debate whether such regulations are needed or not. Learners will be able to present and create a blog, videos, brochures, PowerPoints related to raise awareness about the environment and to recommend measures to protect the environment. As for the assessment, I will start with pre-assessment to activate schemata and check students' prior knowledge of the topic. In addition to quizzes, assessments, students will work individually and in small groups. They will share their comprehension and vocabulary recognition with each other in order to come up with the unified understanding of the text at hand. They will work in two groups. One listens to the environmental issue in Syria, a fire in Qasyoun Mountain. The other group reads about the role of the society and the government to solve these problems. The two groups compare notes and come up with a unified report presented by one or two from each group. Summative assessment will be used for evaluating students' achievement. Students will be asked to submit a final paper in which they will implement their understanding of content by analyzing and solving a specific case, and they will be asked to present a video, Prezi, or PowerPoint. The goal of that is to elevate the students from their comfort zone and to make them able to implement their knowledge in a real-life situation where they will be able to solve the problems. This is my presentation about my demo unit, and thank you for listening.